Welcome. If you want to stay organized and never miss an important reminder on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable notifications for reminders on the Instagram app for desktop, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the features. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the icon labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines and opens up additional options for your account. After clicking on the More icon, a menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience and manage everything from privacy to notifications. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to access all your notification preferences. This is the hub for controlling how and when Instagram alerts you about different activities. Next, enter the Push Notifications area. This section allows you to fine-tune the notifications you receive directly on your desktop, making sure you're always up to date. Now, scroll down until you find the category labeled Reminders. This is the key step. Here, you'll see an option to turn reminders notifications on or off. Simply choose On to enable notifications for reminders. And that's it. You've successfully set up reminders notifications for Instagram on your PC.